Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wenli. This week, I'll be sharing with you another simple recipe and loved by many, the salted egg chicken. Yes, everybody loves salted egg mixed with anything and everything in the recent years. So, let's get started. First, we wash the curry leaves and cut the bird's eye chili. Then, we steam the salted duck egg yolks and mash them. Now we wash the chicken cubes and marinate them. We add 2 tablespoonfuls of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoonful of soy sauce, and a few dashes of white pepper. Stir to combine. To fry the chicken, we first heat up the oil in the wok and we coat the marinated chicken with the frying flour. Then place all the coated chicken cubes into the wok. Turn them and fry until all sides are golden brown. Remove the chicken from the wok. As for the sauce, we place the butter into the preheated wok. Then, we pour the curry leaves and bird's eye chili into the wok. Stir them for a while. Then, pour all the mashed salted egg yolks into the wok and stir to combine. Then pour the fried chicken into the sauce. Toss until all the chickens are evenly coated. We are done! Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you again next week. Bye.